Christmas and Happy New Year, okay? Enjoy Philippines, okay? Ate Ayla! Ate, come on! Ate, come on! Enjoy your Philippines, okay? Merry Christmas, Happy New Year!
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh.
Bago ko gawin yung luggage ko, grocery tayo online. Dinownload ko yung Coles app. So, first time ko itong gagawin. Kasi wala na akong time para mag-grocery ng snacks ng mga bata. And si Kuya, sinabihan niya ako na mag-grocery ako before umalis kasi wala na silang food. Kasi na-busy tayo. So, grocery tayo online. Ayan. Pili lang ako. First time ko itong gagawin. Not sure. We'll see. Buti pinaalala sa akin ni Ray. Sabi, mag-order ka online. Sabi ko nga pala kasi may nakikita rin ako dito na dumadaan na Coles tapos Woolies. So, alam ko na pwede din dito mag-deliver. So, tapos na ako mag-order online sa Coles. Bukas ang delivery. Ang pinili kong So, na-check out ko na yung order ko dito sa Coles online. So, tapos na ako mag-grocery online sa Coles. And ang delivery is tomorrow around 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. Yun ang pinili kong oras kasi bukas may pasok yung mga bata tapos hindi ko alam si Jan kung anong oras darating dito bukas. So, para mas safe, 3 to 9 kasi for sure may tao na dito sabay kasi parating na yung mga bata galing school. Okay, ayusin ko na yung aking mga ilalagay sa luggage and eto yung mga gamot na dadalhin namin. So, ito yung mga nabili ko pala kahapon except dito at saka eto. Ito yung Clarity ni Holly, dalawa na box. Ang isang box is mayroon siyang 30 chewable tablets. So, mas okay ng sobra kaysa kulangin tayo. Tapos, ito hindi, sa akin to. Nurofen pag sumakit ang ulo ko. And then, Panadol. Ayan. Sa akin yan. And eto, daling ko to. Yung tira to ni Holly para hindi siya mahilo sa, hindi naman siya magtitake nito sa plane. Sa bus lang naman. Yung parang Bonamin sa atin. Ito yung Cows Kids. And etong Bushman na roll-on para sa lamok. Para hindi siya dapuan ng lamok. And eto, bumila ko nitong Trust para sa cough. Sa akin to. Then, Panadol for Holly. Kasi pag kinagat siya ng lamok, tapos itchy and masakit, pang pain relief siya. So, yan ang kinuha ko instead of Nurofen. So, yan yung mga dadang. Tapos, ito akin probiotic, vitamin D, and magnesium. Okay. And, ito pa pala. So, etong dalawang cream, nag-explain kasi ako sa kanya kung ano nangyari kay Holly last year. Tapos, sinadjust niya tong dalawa. So, una daw, eto muna. Ang gamitin ko yung Sobite. Tapos, pag sobrang hindi na kaya ni Holly yung, alam mo yun, irritation na pagkasting, eto daw ilagay ko. Pero pag bago pa lang, eto muna. So, yan. Yan yung mga dadalhin ko. So, ilalagay ko yan sa luggage. Vacuum bags kasi siya lumuwag. Parang may pumasok na hangin. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Sinara ko naman siya ng maayos. Yung akin okay, flat na flat pa rin siya. Eto, siya, parang nag-bulky.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da, making our
Dito na sila, ha? Happy. What's your gift? Nakaligo na pala ako, guys. Ayan. Nakaligo na ako. 4 o'clock na. And si Holly tulog. Natulog sila ng daddy. Sak. What's that?
I wouldn't be able to sleep then. What did you get me?
What you get from your Kris Kringle, Kuya? Hmm?
Always a limited edition car.
Limited edition car.
And that. The person that got me, I had him.
Ah, okay. You just exchanged then. Let me see the car. Yan daw yung nakuha niya sa Kris Kringle. So you're gonna display it, Kuya?
No, this one doesn't have it.
Huh? Yan eh.
It doesn't come off.
No, because here, yes.
That was a joke.
Ito na yung regalo natin kay Sak. Happy graduation.
Thanks, Mum.
Merry Christmas. And Happy New Year. Hoy! Look. Say hi, guys. Can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Hoy, come here.
Merry Christmas.
Look at them.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
No, do it.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. To use. Thanks, Mum.
Welcome. Ilagay ko na pala yung toiletries dito sa luggage na to. Si Oli nakaligo na, nakabase na. Ano ka naman saba? Ay, bigat na naman.
Don't squish the chocolate.
Huh?
Don't squish the chocolate. We also got the hand carry luggage. Did you pack my thongs?
Yeah. Oh.
The cover, how much is it supposed to weigh?
30. Is it more?
Let go.
Yeah.
That's 40.
40? Shit.
Your mom, I'll hold it.
Can you see it?
I can't see cover in it.
That one. $35. 85. Oh.
You don't make some heat. No, because this is. I can.
Remove the scale. Holly.
How much do I get?
Put this one there.
I like this body. That's what now yours.
chocolates. Nakapabigat dito ito. Toilet paste. Bakit 35? Kung sapatos. Ha? Tinanggal ko yung isang sapatos. Naipit yung plastic. Bakit ka ganyan?
Yes, I know. Let me see. There. 33.
Mas daddy. Hi, napagod na ako. Kailangan ko magbawas ng chocolate. Iwan ko na lang sa mga bata. This one is the toilet paste. What do you want? Yeah. Fredo?
Yeah.
Milk? What?
Yeah, yeah.
Swirl?
Nah.
No? Cherry runner?
Yeah. Put it in the fridge, Ronnie.
Kit Kat?
No, I'm cooking some.
Snickers, son?
Yeah.
Do you eat Mars? Do you like Mars?
Not them ones. That's not Mars, alright.
That's okay.
Kinders!
Nagbawas na ako dun sa isa. Kasi naging 34.
I don't think these are the ones we use for.
Twirl, Bab?
Dad, these aren't. This is.
Bab? Twirl? Okay na. May I hope.
This isn't the ones we use for. This isn't the one we use for footy, but they work.
Okay na.
Yeah, as long as I.
Are they yours?
No.
Yeah, is that one case
That
of
one,
both,
oh, how much is this one, huh? 30, just a bit 30.
or? So,
Mum, there's
32?
yeah.
That one? How about this one? I thought we have
That
like...
one's 34.
No, I removed already before that.
Oi, there's two different keys.
Yeah, as long as it,
Just put them all on the same thing.
as long as it unlock it.
It's a
Yeah.
bit hard to push it back in.
Yung coffee, nilagay ko sa... naglagay akong coffee sa isang backpack ni Holly. Sa ano niya? Sa backpack. Wow, kuya. Igadamay kuya. Kasi ayoko, wala pa naman tayong kasama para mag-ano. Okay, Hannah, final place, ha? So I can sit down and relax.
You got hours to sit down and relax.
Yeah, come on, honey. I wanna have a relaxed mind. Pwede ako mag-isip. In-straight ko yung buko after kong paliguan siya. Hindi pa nga ako wala pa, nag-skincare lang ako. 30 kilos na. Para
Do we do these ones? Or the...
Nah, these ones.
Ito yan na mag-lock.
Oh, do them ones, yeah.
And, ibibigay ko na sa kanya yung phone ko. Yung iPhone 14 na 1 terabyte. May ano lang ako sa draft ko sa TikTok. Kasi marami akong draft sa TikTok. Na, ang cute, meron ako nakuha kay Zach. Ang cute ni Zach. Magagalit yung pag pinost ko. Ayan, ang cute ni Zach dyan. Oh.
So blue.
Huh?
Blue straps.
What?
Suitcase is blue.
Yeah. Do I have another straps?
Yeah, there's 2 blue ones on it.
Okay. Naglagay kami na palatandaan. Blue. Same sa damit ko. Hindi, nandiyan na siya before pa.
Easy access.
Yeah.
What, the
Register.
big one for the big one and the small one for the small one.
Okay. Thank you, Kuya.
Heavy?
5 kilo.
No, 7 kilo.
Why
wala.
over? Where do you think?
Ayan na. Ini-erase ko na yung mga contacts ko dito. Para mabigay ko na kay Kuya. Hinihintay niya na tong phone. Binago niya na yung aking.
9?
That's 9 kilo.
Let me see.
1 kilo over. So
Oh,
8.
it's 8.
Wait, it's alright. Ang dami kong tinanggal.
Right, you got everything? Zip
Yeah.
them up. Do them
No,
up.
Ayan,
you
tinanggal
can
ko
use
na
this
to. How can I bring that one? Are you done with that?
No, yeah.
Nagka-transfer pa siya. So, ang dami ko ng chocolate na tanggal.
Hand carry
Babe,
away.
padlocks, put them on, I'll put them in the car.
And eto, tinanggal ko na ang dami. Sa ref, marami ng chocolates. Ay, tanggal siya. Tanggal dito. Ready na siya. Ito din, Merry Christmas. And then, yan din regalo ko sa kanya.
Wow, Annie. Where's my perfume?
Oh, I couldn't find your perfume, Zach.
Did you see that John Paul thing?
No, they don't have.
Were you looking at it though?
Yeah. I'll look. Sorry. I will erase it now, yeah.
Oh, they're all loading now. Hang on.
See, you squeezed it.
Siniset up lang namin yung phone ni Kuya. Where's the case for this one, Kuya?
Just dance. Come on.
Big Kuyani! Just dance for the days in the hands. Love the love the.
Not they just still loading, are they?
Oh.
What?
Just erase it from general.
Yeah. Right, these suitcases going in.
Yeah. You gonna miss one? Yeah, you gonna miss one? John, don't. You can remove this one now.
Zach, grab that suitcase.
Don't drop it.
Yeah. No, so this is gonna cloud afterwards.
No, don't drop that. Oh, will that be up there?
You look after the house, huh? Happy, Kuya? Is it 1 terabyte says? Go to general.
Break my leg.
Why is it this color?
What?
You can't even say anything.
Oh, you can change all that, mate.
Yeah, that's
Jamie.
good.
Sorry, what color?
You got shoes, Whoops?
What did you say? Nagulat
I
siya
can
na.
have more photos in that thing.
Yeah, because you are.
1 terabyte.
Nagulat siya. Sabi ko naman sa kanya 1 terabyte yan. Oh my God, 1 terabyte. I can take a lot of photos. Yeah. Happy? Honey, kuya, happy? Merry Christmas, Yanni. Oh, I love you. I'm gonna miss you. Are you gonna miss mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah. You gonna miss mommy's fried rice? Oh. Naiiyak ako. Pinipigilan ko lang. Isa kanina pa siya pa-hug-hug sa akin. I'm gonna miss you, Pony. Alright.
Camp. Dad, can you do my face ID for the band? No, just straight I
Dalawang
have.
moment na doon.
Oh my. What's important, huh? Yeah. Why don't you go from Adelaide Airlines? Dad, why don't you go from Adelaide Airlines? Oh, it's Melbourne.
Because it's direct Melbourne.
What's Adelaide then? Where's they go?
Singapore.
So if we went to Singapore, will we go to Adelaide? No.
Yeah, you go, yeah.
What?
Oh boy, my bunny! Bye! Bye, my bunny!
Why, Pony?
Yeah, that's Pony. That's Pony.
Later na, Baba.
Bye.
We have to put that, did you see the brush, the pink brush, the little slick thing? Like a mascara one?
Ah, that's the
What?
camera.
Okay.
Alright.
Ah,
So say you sit the car for 5 minutes because you'll remember something.
yeah.
Bye. Bye.
Pony.
Okay, bye. Oh, bye.
Oh, I'm gonna buy them.
Okay. Peace out. Bye, guys. Love you. Love you, brothers.
I love you.
Bye.
Love you. Bring me a FaceTime, okay?
Yes, can't in the house.
You forgot your headphone, you forgot your jacket.
So you excited to leave us?
Yeah, I go.
Okay, hug ko yan na. Come on, Zach.
Bye.
Come on.
Bye.
I love you. Be good for you. I love you.
Bye.
That one, put it there, please. Oh.
Bye.
Is this your charger, man? Where's that? For your portable?
Okay.
Say that! Yeah, I will.
Okay, we're going. Okay, boys.
Bye, for.
You one more cup. One more, Kuya.
Right, let me turn it off.
Love you. Kuya.
You're not coming back, Daddy.
No. Okay, love you. Love you. Be good,
Love you,
okay?
Pa.
See ya. Ayan.
Guys,
Palis na kami ng bahay.
just saying, I do have my seatbelt on.
Nakaset up na siya dyan kasi matutulog yan. Ay, kinakain
Don't
dyan
lie down yet,
water. You have to talk to daddy. Excited na siya matulog.
Seatbelt on.
Yeah, she did.
I'm gonna be chilling with Mama that crew.
Hindi niyo ako makita. Mamaya na lang, chika. So, alis na kayo. Punta na kami ng... Oh, dilim.
Oh, wow, I was gonna sleep tonight. Mom, this one works better.
No, this one is alright.
No, look.
Okay, biyahe na kami papuntang Melbourne. Ang flight ko is 5 o'clock in the morning. So, alis tayo ng 9, eksaktong 9 o'clock. And si Kuya, si Zach, gusto sana namin kila Auntie Mel sila matulog. Pero si Kuya, tsaka sa ayaw. And si Kuya, old enough naman siya. Nabantayan si Sak. And kinausap din namin dito yung kapitbahay namin. Makakakilala din namin yung mga kapitbahay namin na
Sit up.
tingnan-tingnan.
You say better.
Well, hindi na kasi makakatulong. I mean,
Yeah, but sit up.
sinabi namin na yung dalawa lang
You've got
nandyan.
plenty of time to relax.
And si Kuya, if anything, wala naman mangyayari. Tawagan lang agad sila Joe or si Dino.
What's first?
So, yan. Ang grabe, ang bigat ng dibdib ko. Hindi ko may explain yung ano ko, yung parang ngayon, parang ako naiiyak. Kanina, pinigilan ko lang. Ayaw ko. Kasi
First tortilla mo na.
si Kuya, si Sak, nung off cam, sabi nila, mamimiss namin pagkain mo, ma'am. So niluto ako naman sila doon, hindi luto, ano lang naman yun, schnitzels. Kasi madali lang sa air fryer. Alam mo yung paalis ka pero parang bigat ng dibdib mo. Ay, ano ba yan? Ayoko umiyak.
Mom, did you bring my golf cart?
Yeah. Alright guys, later na lang. Biyahe muna kami at matutulog ako.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and
Hamilton na pala kami guys.
Not in KFC.
Oh my God, walang McDonald's dito.
That this week.
Si Holly pala tulog. Tulog siya with motion. Nagugutom ako. Bakit sarado ang McDonald's? Anong oras na? So nag-transfer ako. Yung i-edit ko kasi today, we'll see kung mapag-edit ako, ay yung actual birthday ni Jan nung December 4 sa bahay. And yeah, kanina wala akong vlog kasi super busy tayo. Hindi ako nakapag-edit nun. So i-try ko, sana ma-edit ko to para ma-upload ko siya bago kami mag-fly para may vlog tayo. And yeah, so alternate siguro ang aking vlogs. Updated, nearly updated, tapos yung late, tapos updated, then yeah, basta. Okay guys, konting intindi lang. Yung tulog, okay, gawin ko na to. Meron pa kami, darating kami dun alas 12, 10:37, 10, 11, 4 hours pa kami guys magta-travel. So mag-edit ako hanggat hindi pa ako inaantok. Wala akong nilagay sa mukha. Kinagkilay lang ako tapos skincare. Mamaya na lang pag malapit na kami sa airport maglagay ang konting concealer para matakpan yung mga blemishes natin. Okay.
Team at Groves Real Estate in Grey Street today. The 15th Tennis Australia.
whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our
Update, 1:13 na ng madaling araw. Dito na kami sa Melbourne. How far are we from the airport?
Huh?
How far are we from the airport? 20? 20 minutes. Magkuha lang ako ng pagkain sa McDonald's. Wala pa akong kain. Except dun sa chips. Yun lang yung nakita yung binigay sa akin ni Jan. Yun lang. So, kuha muna ako. And si Holly tulog. Okay.
Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But the
Dito na kami, guys. Grabe kaba ko. Kasi nga, hindi kami lahat ang uuwi. Oh, that's the what I'm gonna do. What? What you forget? Kuha tayo ng cart. Umo.
Hey down.
Oh, baby. Oh. It's alright, Baba.
Không có lại cũng. Không có lại.
It's alright, baby.
Hả?
Come on.
Không. Đi ra đèn của đấy không?
Come on, Baba.
Say bye.
No.
Okay.
Good song. Come on, Baba. It's alright. It's alright. I know it's hard. Okay, we're going to J, Baba J. Our gate.
But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go.